Biotronix advanced laser therapy dual probe, and now I will show you how to operate the same. You have to switch on the machine from here, from this key to on key. Now you are seeing in the display screen, press start key. This is advanced laser therapy 110 nanometer 750 milliwatt. Now if I will press the start key, I will be showing the option timer. Now from this plus and minus timer option, I will increase the timer or decrease, like I have increased the same to. Now it's again showing the option press start key. Press the start key. Now I'm getting the program continuous program, and it's also showing press start key. When I press the start key, you can see the pointed probe is you can see the laser output over here. And if I switch the same from pointed probe to dual probe, I will make the switch like this. The dual probe will start